What's up guys, this is me teacher Tapan here and welcome to my channel Tricks Easy Art and welcome to another new interesting video. In this video I'm gonna teach you how to do glass painting. Means you have to use glass color. But before that, a small request to everyone, please subscribe my channel and press the bell notification icon to get more updates of my new videos every day. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Materials I have used for this glass painting such as framed glass, glass color, glass liner. All the material links I have given in the description below. You can check it over there. Now I am unlocking the frame and taking out the glass from the frame, and after that we need to place the glass on top of our drawing. It has to be same measurement like this. Just check everywhere the four corners should touch. Every box from the glass color there will be one liner. You just need to take out the liner. See, there will be pointer like this and this is the liner. So what we need to do, we need to open this cap and we need to fix this liner like this. Along with these materials, we need to keep tissue paper and cotton buds or earbuds, whatever you call. Those also we need to keep it ready with us. Sometimes we might need it. You need to take the liner and open the cap. After opening the cap, see, we need to start from the top to bottom. Gradually, we just need to come from top to bottom. We will not do from bottom to top. We should not do, because this color will take little time to dry. Okay, it will take 1 to 2 hours to dry. That's why you just need to be very careful. First we will complete all this top portion, then the middle portion, and then the lower portion. Sometimes what you need to do, you just need to take tissue paper and you need to clean the liner like this. Sometimes what happens, from the liner the color doesn't come properly. For that you need to take any safety pin or any pins to clean that liner. Then it will come smoothly. Let me give you one information. These days I am taking online art classes worldwide. So if you wanna join my online art classes, I have given all the details in the description. You can check it over there. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell notification icon to get more updates of my new videos every day. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends more. Then it will motivate me or support me to make the videos more for you. After completing the outlining on your picture, you just need to leave it for 1 or 2 hours for drying.
2 hours later.
If you are using water-based glass color, then easily you can mix water with that to make the color little lighter. For that definitely you can use pen brushes, but remember, after using pen brushes definitely you just need to dip it into the water. Otherwise it will be dried permanently and those pen brushes will not be able to work in future. We need to leave our painting 3 to 4 hours for getting dried properly.
One eternity later.
Now our glass is ready to putting it back to the frame. When you are placing the glass inside the frame, you need to remember one thing: the liner part should be in the front. And along with that, you can place a white A4 paper also. Then lock the frame and your glass painting is ready. Now you can place it on the table or you can hang it on the wall. Like this way you can just decorate your room. I hope you loved that video. If you guys enjoyed watching this video and found this tutorial helpful, then give a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe my channel to get more updates of my new videos every day. So I'll see you tomorrow with a new video. Till then, take care of yourself, stay at home, utilize your time with your creativity, and as I always say, be creative, be confident. Bye bye.